for those seeking both fame and fortune. Our next monument was the perfect place, home to the gladiator. At number 5, it's the killing zone of ancient Rome. The Colosseum.
The Colosseum, the arena of death. 1 million animals slaughtered, 500,000 people murdered in the name of entertainment.
In amphitheaters all over the Roman Empire, thousands died every year. For Romans, death was a popular spectator sport.
The leaders of the Roman Empire knew that to keep their citizens on side, they needed to keep them well-fed and well-entertained, give them bread and circuses. And the Colosseum is the ultimate entertainment venue.
It was built between 72 and 80 AD. 150 feet high, over 600 feet long, with a central area equivalent to a modern football field. It was the biggest building of its kind in the Roman Empire.
When people went to the Colosseum, they were expecting to see blood. In the morning, it was the gladiators called bestiarii fighting against wild beasts. At noontime, you could go off and have a meal, or you could stick around and you could watch the execution of criminals in gruesome ways. In the afternoon, it was the main event, and that's when you had man against man, gladiator against gladiator, fighting to the death.
The Colosseum was a brutal arena of death. So many hippos were slaughtered, they became extinct on the River Nile. The North African elephant, wiped out for the same reason.
It's speculated that the Colosseum could hold up to 80,000 people, but what's even more remarkable is that the fantastic design of the Romans allowed for each and every one of them to have a clear view of what was happening on the arena.
The Colosseum isn't just a fancy facade, it's fantastically engineered throughout the whole structure. Gladiators and animals could be raised in lifts directly into the arena.
And for one event, 4 million gallons of water were diverted from the city's immense aqueduct system.
They actually flooded the arena floor for naval battles, and the next day had it all drained out and the stage back in place.
It was a technical achievement way ahead of its time. And there's more. The Colosseum had its own climate control system, a retractable roof. It was a sunshade that could be controlled from a system of pulleys. It would move to shade the crowd from the sun.
It's just like a modern sporting arena. The center court of Wimbledon only got its retractable roof in 2009.
That's 2,000 years behind the Romans. The Colosseum is a grisly but awe-inspiring monument to Roman entertainment.